Ever walked past a Tesla silently gliding down the street and wondered, is this the future of driving, or just an expensive fad? I mean, let's be real, cars have been powered by gasoline for over a century. It's what we know. It's the rumble of the engine, the smell of exhaust, it's part of the driving experience. So, the question remains, how do these futuristic electric vehicles really stack up against the good old gas guzzlers we're all so familiar with? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down the key differences between Tesla vehicles and traditional gas-powered cars, looking at everything from performance and cost to environmental impact and maintenance. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what each type of vehicle brings to the table, helping you decide which one might be right for you. Let's start with performance. This is where Teslas often make a big splash. Traditional gas cars rely on internal combustion engines, which convert the chemical energy of gasoline into mechanical energy to propel the vehicle. These engines have evolved significantly over the years, offering a wide range of power outputs and fuel efficiency. You've got your economy cars with smaller engines focused on mileage, and then you have your sports cars with massive engines designed for raw power and acceleration. Teslas, on the other hand, use electric motors powered by batteries. These electric motors offer instant torque, meaning maximum power is available from a standstill. This translates to incredibly quick acceleration, often leaving gas-powered cars in the dust, especially in initial bursts of speed. Think about it, no gears to shift, no waiting for the engine to rev up. Just instant, smooth acceleration. This difference is especially noticeable in everyday driving situations, like merging onto a highway or overtaking another vehicle. Beyond acceleration, handling is another area where Teslas can shine. Because the heavy battery pack is located low in the chassis, it gives Teslas a lower center of gravity. This translates to improved stability and handling, making them feel more planted and responsive on the road, especially in corners. Now, let's talk about refueling versus recharging. With a gas car, you pull into a gas station, fill up the tank in a few minutes, and you're good to go for hundreds of miles. The refueling infrastructure is incredibly well established, with gas stations practically everywhere. This is a significant advantage for gas cars, especially for long road trips. With a Tesla, you refuel by plugging it into an electrical outlet or a charging station. Charging times vary depending on the charging method and the size of the battery. Using a standard household outlet can take a very long time, often overnight, to fully charge the battery. However, using Tesla's supercharger network or other public fast charging stations can significantly reduce charging times, adding hundreds of miles of range in a relatively short period. The charging infrastructure for electric vehicles is constantly expanding, but it's still not as widespread as gas stations. This means that planning long trips in a Tesla requires a bit more forethought, considering charging stops along the way. However, for daily commutes and shorter trips within a city or region, charging at home overnight is incredibly convenient. You wake up every morning with a full tank, so to speak. Next up, cost. This is where things get a bit more complex. The initial purchase price of a Tesla is generally higher than comparable gas-powered cars. However, it's crucial to consider the total cost of ownership, which includes factors like fuel or electricity costs, maintenance, and potential tax incentives. Gas prices fluctuate constantly, and filling up a gas tank can be a significant recurring expense. With a Tesla, you're paying for electricity, which is typically much cheaper per mile than gasoline. This can lead to significant savings over the long term, especially if you charge your Tesla at home during off-peak hours when electricity rates are lower. Maintenance is another area where Teslas have an advantage. Electric vehicles have far fewer moving parts than gas cars. There are no oil changes, spark plugs, exhaust systems, or many of the other maintenance items associated with internal combustion engines. This translates to lower maintenance costs and less time spent in the shop. However, battery replacement is a potential expense to consider with electric vehicles. While Tesla batteries are designed to last for many years, they will eventually need to be replaced. The cost of battery replacement can be significant, although battery technology is constantly improving and prices are generally decreasing. Now, let's address the environmental impact. Traditional gas-powered cars are a significant source of greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to climate change and air pollution. Electric vehicles, on the other hand, produce zero tailpipe emissions. This means they don't directly release pollutants into the air we breathe. However, it's important to consider the source of the electricity used to charge the Tesla. If the electricity comes from renewable sources like solar or wind power, then the environmental impact is minimal. If the electricity comes from fossil fuel power plants, then there is still an environmental impact, albeit indirect. Nevertheless, even when considering the electricity generation, studies have shown that electric vehicles generally have a lower overall carbon footprint than gas-powered cars. Finally, let's touch on technology and features. Teslas are known for their advanced technology, including large touchscreen displays, over-the-air software updates, and advanced driver assistance systems like autopilot. These features offer a more connected and technologically advanced driving experience compared to many traditional gas cars. While some newer gas-powered cars are catching up in terms of technology, Tesla has generally been at the forefront in this area. So, to recap, Teslas offer superior acceleration, handling, and lower running costs, along with a reduced environmental impact and cutting-edge technology. Gas cars offer a lower initial purchase price, a well-established refueling infrastructure, and a wider variety of models and body styles. The choice between a Tesla and a gas-powered car ultimately depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you prioritize performance, technology, and environmental responsibility, and if you primarily drive within a city or region with access to charging infrastructure, then a Tesla might be a great fit. If you need a vehicle for frequent long road trips, prioritize a lower initial purchase price, or prefer the traditional driving experience, then a gas-powered car might be a better choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.